Have you ever gazed at your degree and questioned its real-world value? Picture it as more than just a certificate, but a foundation for a flourishing business. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey that merges the world of academia with the entrepreneurial spirit. We're not here to just chat. We're here to provide a practical guide bursting with actionable steps. So, buckle up and prepare to transform your academic prowess into a thriving venture with Turn Your Degree into Dollars. Are you eager for innovative business tips and tricks straight from the academic vine? Hit the subscribe button and join the community. We're here to sail together through the entrepreneurial seas of 2024. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get your business voyage underway with expert guidance. Firstly, let's decode the mystery of finding your niche. Your degree isn't just a piece of paper, it's a treasure trove filled with potential business ideas. But how do you unlock these hidden gems? Begin by exploring the depths of your major. Whether it's the arts, science, business, or something else, there's a world of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Your field of study has equipped you with a unique set of skills and knowledge. Now it's time to leverage that expertise in the business world. But how, you ask? Start by identifying gaps in the market. Is there a service that's lacking, a product that could be improved, or perhaps a completely unexplored area where your knowledge could be applied? This is where market research comes into play. It's about looking at what's out there, finding where you fit in, and exploring areas that others have overlooked. Next, consider the pain points of your potential customers. What problems are they facing that your expertise can solve? Remember, a successful business isn't just about selling a product or service. It's about offering a solution to a problem. And the more effectively you can do that, the more your business will thrive. Now, align these findings with your own interests and skills. Your business should not only fill a market need, but also resonate with your passion. This alignment not only increases your chances of success, but also makes the entrepreneurial journey more fulfilling. In this process, you might stumble upon several potential niches. That's great. But remember, the key is to find a niche that's not only profitable, but also a perfect match for your skills and passion. So, take your time, analyze each possibility, and choose the one that feels right. This section isn't just about ideas, it's about finding viable, profitable opportunities that resonate with your personal and academic strengths. The perfect niche is out there, waiting for you to discover it. And when you do, you'll be one step closer to turning your degree into dollars. Moving forward, let's tackle the art of business planning and strategy. This is where you mold your ideas into a roadmap, navigating your venture towards success. And it all begins with a comprehensive business plan. A business plan is the backbone of your enterprise, a document that breathes life into your ideas. It's not just a formality for investors, but a strategic tool for you, the entrepreneur. Let's break it down. The executive summary is your elevator pitch, a snapshot of your business. It should encapsulate your mission, the problem your business solves, and how you plan to do it. It's a powerful introduction that should spark interest and curiosity. The company description provides a detailed look at what you do and why it matters. It's your chance to showcase your unique selling proposition, the factor that sets you apart from the competition. Speaking of competition, your market analysis isn't complete without a thorough understanding of your rivals. Who are they? What do they do well? Where do they falter? By answering these questions, you can carve out a niche that's uniquely yours. Next up, organization and management. How is your business structured? Who's in charge of what? A clear organizational structure shows that you've thought things through and that every aspect of your business is under capable supervision. Your service or product line section is where you delve into what you're selling. What's the life cycle of your product or service? How does it benefit the customer? This is where your academic knowledge can truly shine. Marketing and sales are where you outline your strategy to attract and retain customers. It's about understanding your target audience's needs and wants, and how your product or service fits in. Last but not least are the financial projections. This section provides a clear picture of the profitability of your business. It's your opportunity to show that you've done your homework, and that your business is a sound investment. We'll also discuss adapting your strategies to the evolving economic landscape of 2024, and ensuring your business stays ahead of the curve. Remember, a good plan is flexible and adapts to changes without losing sight of the ultimate goal, turning your degree into dollars. Finances can be daunting, but they're the lifeline of your startup. It's time to demystify the complex world of financial management and funding. Let's start with the basics. Every ship needs a compass, and for your business, That compass is your budget. It's a financial blueprint that outlines your income and expenses over a specific period. Your budget is a tool that helps you anticipate revenues, identify potential savings, and avoid unnecessary spending. Next, let's talk about managing costs. In business, there are two types of costs: fixed and variable. Fixed costs like rent or salaries remain constant regardless of your business activity, while variable costs, like raw materials or shipping fees, change based on your output. Keeping a close eye on these costs can help you make strategic decisions about pricing, scaling, and profitability. Maintaining a healthy cash flow is also crucial. Cash flow is the money moving in and out of your business. It's the lifeblood that keeps your operations running smoothly. When more money is coming in than going out, you're in a positive cash flow state, which is where you want to be. Regularly reviewing your cash flow statement can help you identify trends, plan for the future, and ensure you have enough cash to cover your bills and invest in growth opportunities. Now, let's shift gears and talk about funding. Unless you have a hefty savings account, you'll likely need external funding to get your startup off the ground. There are numerous options available, from bootstrapping and crowdfunding to securing loans or attracting angel investors. Each funding option has its pros and cons, and the right one for you depends on your business model, growth potential, and risk tolerance. Finally, remember that funding isn't just about securing the money, it's about pitching your idea with conviction and demonstrating your business's potential return on investment. It's crucial to understand and confidently articulate the financial metrics that investors care about, such as your profit margin, gross margin, and burn rate. So there you have it, a crash course in financial management and funding. Learn to pitch your idea with confidence and understand the financial metrics that investors care about. Your brand is your business's identity. It's the beacon that guides your customers to your product or service amidst the sea of competition. So how do you build this beacon? Let's dive right in. First, understand that your brand goes beyond a catchy name or a cool logo. It's about the experience you provide, the story you tell, and the values you hold. Your brand should resonate with your target audience, creating a connection that goes beyond the transactional. Now let's talk about digital marketing strategies. In this digital age, your online presence can make or break your brand. From content marketing to email campaigns, your digital strategy should align with your brand's story and values. Next up is social media engagement. It's not just about posting regularly, but about creating meaningful interactions with your audience. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message. It's also about listening to what your audience has to say. And let's not forget about SEO, or search engine optimization. This is about making your brand discoverable. It's about understanding what your target audience is searching for and making sure your brand is there to meet them. As we move into 2024, marketing trends continue to evolve. From personalization to purpose-driven marketing, these trends offer exciting opportunities for your brand to stand out. We'll look at 2024's marketing trends and how you can capitalize on them to make your brand shine. Transforming your degree into a profitable business venture is more than a dream. It's a journey we'll embark on together. The road to success is paved with knowledge, strategy, and perseverance. As we wrap up, remember that your degree is not just a piece of paper, but a ticket to a world of opportunities. Subscribe now for more insights, guides, and inspiring stories. Let's turn your academic accomplishments into real-world success. Until then, keep dreaming big and strategically planning for your success.